If your life looked like eternal night, Amaterasu was the dawn. Let's dive into her myth. In the rich tapestry of Japanese mythology, Amaterasu stands as a beacon of light. She is the sun goddess, revered for her radiant power and crucial role in the pantheon of Shinto deities. But even the brightest lights can dim. One fateful day, Amaterasu retreated into a cave, devastated by her brother's misdeeds. Her departure cast the entire world into pitch-black darkness. The sun had vanished, and with it, all hope seemed lost. Desperate to restore balance, the other gods hatched a plan. They gathered outside the cave, performing rituals and dances, trying to coax Amaterasu out. The goddess of mirth, Uzume, took center stage, performing a dance so joyous and wild that it echoed through the mountains. The gods laughed and cheered, creating a commotion outside the cave. Curiosity piqued, Amaterasu peeked out to see what the ruckus was about. In that instant, a mirror placed by the entrance caught her reflection, dazzling her with her own brilliance. Slowly, she emerged, and with her return, light burst forth, banishing the darkness. This tale of Amaterasu's retreat and return is more than just a myth. It's a powerful reminder of the balance between light and shadow, and the enduring hope that light will always return. In Japanese culture, Amaterasu symbolizes hope, resilience, and the unbreakable connection between the divine and the world. Her story continues to inspire, showing that even in the darkest times, light is never far away.